My name is Benjamin Franklin. If you want to see how I look like using AI, so watch this video till the end. I'd like to share the captivating tale of how I stumbled upon the incredible idea of electricity through my observations of lightning. It was a time of curiosity and scientific exploration, and little did I know that my inquisitiveness would lead to one of the most transformative discoveries in human history. In the early 1750s, I was engrossed in my pursuits as a scientist, inventor, and thinker. The world around me was brimming with mysteries, and I was determined to uncover their secrets. My focus at the time was on understanding the nature of electricity. This phenomenon had been studied for centuries, but its true essence remained elusive. The spark of inspiration ignited one day when I heard about a European experiment involving the use of a kite to study electricity in the atmosphere. Eager to explore this concept further, I decided to conduct my own experiment. With the help of my son William, I fashioned a simple kite using a large silk handkerchief and a sharp iron rod. The day of the experiment was charged with anticipation and a touch of trepidation. As storm clouds gathered in the sky, I launched the kite into the air, allowing it to soar higher and higher. Attached to the kite was a thin iron wire and a key, which I positioned close to a Leyden jar, a device used to store electrical charge. As the kite climbed amidst the winds, my heart raced with a mixture of excitement and uncertainty. Would my experiment yield the insights I sought, or would it end in disappointment? Suddenly, a wondrous and powerful force surged through the key and my fingers. I felt a tingling sensation that could only be described as electrifying, a sensation that would forever change the course of my scientific pursuits. I had successfully captured the energy of lightning, demonstrating that it shared fundamental characteristics with the electricity generated by machines in laboratories. This groundbreaking experiment provided evidence that lightning was a natural form of electricity, a revelation that had far-reaching implications for our understanding of the natural world. The implications of my discovery were profound. It opened up new avenues of exploration into the properties of electricity and its potential applications. I went on to further study the principles of electrical conductivity, charge, and insulation. These inquiries laid the groundwork for future generations of scientists and inventors to harness the power of electricity for various technological advancements. Following the success of my kite experiment, I was consumed by a fervent desire to delve deeper into the world of electricity. The implications of capturing a spark from the heavens were immense, and I was determined to uncover the underlying principles that governed this mysterious force. I constructed elaborate apparatuses to study electricity in controlled settings. One of my most famous experiments involved suspending a metal rod from a silk thread, allowing it to be charged by friction. This charged rod, or what I referred to as an electric fire, could then be used to interact with other objects, demonstrating the transfer of electrical energy. I observed how objects would repel or attract each other based on their electrical charges, a phenomenon that fascinated me and led to the development of my theories on positive and negative charges. Intriguingly, I also noted the effects of electricity on living organisms. I conducted experiments with Leyden jars, discharging their electrical energy through my own body and documenting the strange sensations and muscle contractions that resulted. These observations hinted at the complex interactions between electricity and biology, foreshadowing the field of electrotherapy and the use of electrical currents for medical purposes. As I continued my explorations, I recognized the potential of electricity for practical applications beyond scientific inquiry. I envisioned a world where this natural force could be harnessed for the betterment of society. I developed the concept of the lightning rod, a simple yet ingenious device that could protect buildings and ships from the destructive power of lightning strikes. This invention was a testament to the power of my scientific insights and engineering prowess, and it remains a crucial element in modern structural design to this day. My contributions to the understanding of electricity and its applications extended beyond the laboratory. I engaged in correspondences and debates with fellow scientists and thinkers, exchanging ideas and refining theories. My interactions with luminaries such as Joseph Priestley and Antoine Lavoisier enriched the discourse surrounding electricity and helped solidify its place as a legitimate scientific field. In 1751, I took my insights and findings across the Atlantic to share them with the scientific community in London. I presented my research to the Royal Society, a prestigious institution that had been at the forefront of scientific exploration for decades. My experiments and explanations captivated the audience, and I was met with admiration and acclaim from my fellow scientists. The impact of my discoveries reverberated far beyond the confines of academia. The practical applications of electricity began to shape industries and transform daily life. Electric energy paved the way for innovations like the telegraph, which revolutionized communication by enabling messages to be transmitted across vast distances at unprecedented speeds. The advent of electric lighting eventually illuminated cities and homes, banishing the darkness of night and ushering in a new era of productivity and leisure. Yet, amidst the triumphs and accolades, I remained ever the curious observer of the natural world. My fascination with electricity persisted, driving me to unravel its intricacies and share my insights with a broader audience. I authored additional publications, including The Way to Wealth and Poor Richard's Almanac, in which I distilled my scientific knowledge into practical advice for daily living. As the years passed, I continued to explore diverse fields of inquiry, from meteorology to ocean currents. My insatiable curiosity led me to study the Gulf Stream, a powerful oceanic current that greatly influenced maritime navigation and trade routes. Through careful observation and meticulous measurement, I produced a detailed chart of the Gulf Stream's path, providing valuable information to seafarers and scientists alike. In my later years, I reflected on the remarkable journey that had led me from a simple kite in a stormy sky to a deeper understanding of the fundamental forces that shaped the universe. I marveled at the interconnectedness of scientific disciplines and the profound impact that a single idea could have on shaping the course of history. My hope is that my story will continue to inspire generations of thinkers, tinkerers, and dreamers to boldly explore the unknown, challenge the status quo, and seek to uncover the hidden truths that lie just beyond the horizon of understanding. I am Benjamin Franklin and this is my story. I hope you like it. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.